How to use Dacxi app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people see Dacxi as a crypto investment platform, but the surprising truth is using it wrong can lead to significant losses. Let's discuss how to use Dacxi properly. Dacxi focuses on digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and blockchain investments. The first mistake is investing without research. Beginners often buy popular coins without understanding technology, market trends, or risk. Study assets before committing funds. The second mistake is ignoring security features. Enable two-factor authentication and strong passwords to protect your portfolio from hacks. Another error is neglecting portfolio diversification. Crypto is highly volatile. Spread investments across multiple assets to reduce risk. Beginners also overlook market timing and regular reviews. Dacxi provides real-time market data, monitor prices, news and trends to make informed decisions. Finally, avoid chasing hype. Influencer tips or sudden market surges can be tempting, but disciplined investing protects long-term returns. Used correctly, Dacxi can be a powerful tool for crypto investing. Research thoroughly, secure your account, diversify, monitor regularly, and stay disciplined to maximize returns while minimizing risks.